Google Trends is one of the amazing tool provided by the Google, and it helps us to know all the trending topics around in the internet, and you can make more money using the Google Trends. So if you want to know also about the Google Trends, and if you are also trying to use Google Trends, then this is the right video for you. In this video I'll teach you how can you use the Google Trends for the business or for the blog, anything else you can use the Google Trends. Okay, so this is the right video for you. Just you have to watch this entire video to know about the Google Trends. So without any late,
if you are too much clever, do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how can you create. Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends. So if you want to use Google Trends, just you have to type trends.google.com. google.com. So if you type in the trends.google.com, so now you can see you will get this type of the interface, and it's too much easy and simple. Okay guys, so now you can see here there are various things that is trending right now. So the first thing is the Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashian. Second one is the World Cup, that is for the worldwide, and in the America the soccer and American football is in trending. Okay, and there are recently trending globally few things are available, cheer of Santa Clara, like that. Okay, so you can easily trace or easily track, or you can easily get all the data related with the trending topic. And now you can see here you can get the trending searches in the 2021, 2020, 2019, like that. Okay, so you can easily search the trending topics in your particular countries also. So for this one, so just you have to go here and just click in the explore, and now you can easily search all the details from here. Okay, so for example, if you want to search the YouTube, and if you click here, so now you can see here it is giving you all the interest or all the things. Okay, so now you can say this is the worldwide things, right? So from here you can choose the country also from here. For example, if you want to choose the United States, so I am choosing this one, and now you can say it will show the trends of YouTube's in United States, and you can select the timing also from here, and you can choose the categories also available. So now you can see here in the Google Trends it is showing me all the details. So the Mississippi state is one of the huge state which is using YouTube. Okay, and there are various type of the queries also available. Okay, so now you can see YouTube Ukraine war also one of the best keyword. So it has plus 2700% increases. So in this way you can explore more keywords, more searching keywords and trending topics in easy way, and you can grow your business, you can grow your website, blog, like that. Okay, and there are various options available. For example, from the trending searches you can get the trending searches. So now we can see here those are the trending searches right now. Okay, and you can search year-end search also from here. Okay, so it's too much easy to get ideas what type of searches or what type of keywords are ranking using Google Trends. Hoping that you get few ideas.
Hoping that now you get few ideas about the Google Trends, and if you have still any kind of confusion about the Google Trends, let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to make another new video on that topic also. Okay, so if you want to know how to assign the Google Ad Manager, then you have to watch this video.